In this video we can talk about top 5 ImagenAI alternatives and competitors. Welcome to Alternatives Co-channel, where we explore the world of photo editing tools beyond the popular ImagenAI, a tool that can generate unlimited variations from a single photo. Today, we'll dive into top 5 alternatives of ImagenAI, which are Pixlr, Picwish, HitPaw, Befunky, and YouCam Enhance. Each of these alternatives brings its own set of exciting tools and functionalities, allowing you to enhance and transform your photos with ease. So, let's discover the perfect editing companion for your creative endeavors. First alternative on our list is Pixlr. Pixlr stands out as a powerful online photo editing tool that excels in both functionality and user-friendliness. It offers features like design templates, animations, filters and effects, and digital inking. From basic edits like cropping and resizing to advanced adjustments of colors and tones, Pixlr covers it all. Notably, Pixlr's standout feature lies in its advanced layering functionality, enabling users to have precise control over the editing process and create intricate compositions. The second one on our list is Picwish. Picwish emerges as an intuitive and user-friendly photo editing app that caters to individuals with varying skill levels. It comes with exclusive features like rapid recognition, robust data security, and image compression. Whether you aspire to create captivating visuals for social media or add a personal touch to your photographs, Picwish delivers a convenient and feature-rich editing platform. One of the standout features of Picwish is its impressive collection of filters and effects that breathe life into photos, granting them a unique and personalized touch. Next up is HitPaw. HitPaw proves to be versatile editing software that caters to the diverse needs of both video and image editing enthusiasts. It offers features like Video Converter, Photo Enhancer, Video Enhancer, and Photo Object Remover. Video editing becomes a breeze as HitPaw allows users to effortlessly trim, merge, and adjust video clips, all while offering an extensive range of effects and filters to enhance visual quality. One of the standout features of HitPaw is its AI-powered background remover that truly elevates HitPaw's capabilities. Fourth alternative on our list is Befunky. Befunky emerges as a powerful online photo editing tool that strikes a perfect balance between simplicity and advanced features. It offers features like Photo Enhancer, AI Photo Transformation, and Object Remover. From basic adjustments like tweaking colors and tones to applying filters, overlays, and creative effects, Befunky offers an impressive toolkit. However, one of the standout features of Befunky is its vast collection of graphic design templates that help to create visually stunning designs for various purposes. Last but not the least, we have YouCam Enhance. YouCam Enhance emerges as a feature-rich photo editing app that caters to users looking to enhance and beautify their images. It offers features like Photo Enhancer, background removal, and photo restoration. From automatic enhancements and portrait touch-ups to manual adjustments, you have the power to transform their photos with precision. One of the standout features of YouCam Enhance is its real-time selfie editing capabilities, allowing you to preview and apply edits before capturing the perfect shot. Compared to ImagenAI, Pixlr offers advanced layering functionality that allows you to create complex compositions with precise control over the editing process. Picwish, apart from its editing capabilities, also offers a built-in social platform where you can share the edited images and connect with other creative individuals. HitPaw has a handy screen recording feature that allows you to capture and edit your screen activity, making it a valuable tool for creating tutorials or instructional videos. Befunky provides an integrated online design tool that goes beyond photo editing, allowing you to create professional-looking graphics without the need for additional software. And YouCam Enhance differentiates itself by offering real-time selfie editing capabilities, enabling users to preview and apply edits before capturing the perfect shot, a feature not found in ImagenAI. After considering the features of all the 5 options, we would recommend Pixlr as the best alternative to ImagenAI. With its extensive range of features and user-friendly interface, Pixlr offers a robust platform that rivals ImagenAI in terms of functionality and versatility. From basic edits to advanced adjustments and creative effects, Pixlr provides a comprehensive editing experience that caters to whichever skill level you belong to. Therefore, if you're looking for an alternative that closely matches the capabilities of ImagenAI, Pixlr is the go-to choice. And there you have it. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editing enthusiast, these alternatives offer user-friendly interfaces and a range of creative tools to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.